Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna explain how to use a combined publisher called Future. So what problem does it solve to us? Lots of third-party libraries and even Apple frameworks don't support combine yet and force us to use asynchronous calls based on closures. So we will work with this CN context store, which allows us to check whether a user has an access to his contacts or not. So here is one function which does it, and here is another one which will together rewrite to use the publisher to embed it into the combine flow. So right now, if we need to check the result, we should do it something like this way. And if we need to do it with a combine, we should use the publisher called Future. So the Future publisher allows us to wrap these calls up into the special closure to transform it into the regular publisher. You should be pretty familiar with this mechanism if you had ever given the promise and fulfill it. So I'm creating the Future. We will still deal with the bool and error to reflect this logic. And here I create the promise and just erase to any publisher. Okay, now we have to fill it up. Okay, at the moment of creating the future, we give the promise. Here it is. And we guarantee that this promise will be fulfilled in the future. And this is the place we should put our asynchronous calling, and this is how we call our promise object on getting the result. Okay, so let's wrap it up. Okay, request an access for contacts, completion handler, right, the same. Okay, sorry, I don't like these brackets. Okay. So we have received, if we receive any kind of error, we just fulfill the promise with a failure case and with the success one otherwise. So let's check for the failure. Okay, here is our promise. We should call it with failure and pass the error. Okay, that's it. And if there is no error, we will call it with the success result and pass our boolean result. Okay, we have fulfilled our promise. And so, okay, now it works. Great. And there might be situations when we shouldn't handle the failure case, so we can simplify the code significantly. This might happen if we should just rely on the result and we should ignore the error because we anyway have the result. Just replace the error type with the never one. Okay, never, and here never. Which means the publisher won't produce any error. After that, we can just drop the failure case and rely only on our boolean value. Okay. Now it looks pretty simple and straightforward. So now you can turn the closure-based code into the chain of publisher to embed it into your combine flow. So let's do it. Sync, receive value, here we're getting the result. Okay, and we should store it into collection. Okay, here is our result. That's it, guys. Please like this video and I will know that it's useful. Thank you for watching this and take care. Bye.